Today we're talking about ways to practice. Now, when I say this, I am actually talking about the intro step. There are different ways that we can go into jumps. You can do many jumps from 2 feet. Others take off from 1. You can run into jumps. You can do triplets. You can chasse. There are a plethora of different options. So we're going to go over a couple of those today so you can kind of see what they're like. When my dancers are first learning jumps in like jazz or hip hop, I want the focus to sometimes just be on the jump. So I'll ask for a running start and I'll even toss in an extra temps levee. Now eventually that temps levee has to go away because you don't get that extra spring to get off the ground. Sometimes though, that extra spring when you are first learning a jump alleviates some of the fear in leaving the floor. And that's the whole reason I'll add that in sometimes when my dancers are first learning jumps, is because it gives you that extra moment to get your feet together where they belong and execute the move that you need. That should be your focal point. Again, there's all these different ways to train. Some instructors do not prefer that method. They prefer to have it cut and dry and give a very detailed step going in and how to get off the ground, and that's totally cool too. It gives you a different way to work on the jumps. So this is, like I said, just a different way of doing it, and in my years of experience it has proven to take away some of the anxiety in jumping and doing all these things with our limbs. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about things to keep in mind while you are jumping. I will see you then.